After spending some fun and dedicated time learning about Mote with teachers, I am blown away by the way their students are using Mote for student voice and creativity. So let's look at some examples and how the students made these creations happen. With the option to add audio to slides, students can now take any of their writing, in this case information books, and add audio, which is a whole nother layer of personalization, fluency, and creativity. You'll see that this student not only made slides about research, but they were able to personally explain why they chose tsunamis for their research project. And other students were able to justify their thinking with Mote during their problem-solving block. With these examples in mind, let's look at how these students made this happen. It's really pretty simple. They're going to go ahead and click on the Mote icon while in Google Slides, and then students will click to start their recording. Notice that I'm using the premium version of Mote, so I have 3 minutes to record anything I want to for my screen, and I can also record as many Motes as I want, so I could have a different Mote on different parts of my slide. I can pause and preview, and then when I'm ready, I will insert my Mote into my slide. The speaker can then be moved and resized so that the student can have it wherever they want to. Note that whether I'm in present mode or not, the option to play is right here. You can see this speaker while in present mode. And then you also have some options. When I click on the speaker, I could have this play automatically. I could even change the volume when presenting. So there are some options there as well. Notice for this example, the teacher actually changed the Mote icon to be her Bitmoji. So what's really neat about this is that Mote speaker icon can be replaced with any image that you want to. So we'll look at how that can work. Students or educators are simply going to right-click, choose Replace Image, and then they can actually upload from their computer, search the web, or even add from the camera. I want to show an example of how students have actually added their selfie, which provides name attribution to their Mote and makes it a little more personal as well. This is an example template from Esther Park, but one of our teachers in our district actually used this tug of war template and had the students change their Mote icon to be a selfie. So they would have a question that they were debating, they would record their Mote on which side that they were, and then they would move their picture based on the continuum of how much they agree or disagree. So just such a creative way to use Mote for student voice in the classroom. If I wanted to go ahead and change this to be a selfie, I would simply right-click, Replace Image, and then my built-in camera is going to pull up so I can take a quick selfie. Oh, and my camera is currently being used, but I could add it here. Another option, we had some students using this for animal research. So students would simply record their Mote, and then they can replace the image with the animal that they are talking about. So that is just some really neat ways that students can use Mote for student voice and creativity.